Yeah. Guys?
Yeah. Good job.
Here.
Good job. Your
Let's,
first eastern bird?
First eastern bird. Oh, boys and girls. No video on that one.
That was a... I was going to drop this down. I don't want to move.
Got a nice bird. He's a nice freaking bird.
Here, hold that. So
Oh, man. Let's go catch up on this guy. Oh, I should...
where the hell was he?
Just right over here. He's dropped it. He'll be rolling down the hill a little bit. Got a nice beard. Oh, he's got a dandy beard. That's a pretty good hook, too. He's a nice bird. He's pretty heavy. See what we got left of the fan. Oh, nice.
Nice.
Oh, dandy. Guys, eastern bird. Good one. Thanks, buddies. This has been awesome. Here we are in Iowa. My first eastern bird. Really thank Matt for showing us around.
Good job, Rob.
Caller extraordinaire Rick here.
Rick.
Couldn't have done it without these guys. You know, it's a long way to get here from home, and it was worth it.
It's a long way back from here to home too.
Yeah, that's true.
It's always better when you get something filled
Oh,
in.
yeah. And two birds again. I got to do this every year. You know, get two birds every time. This was one here and one in Wyoming, Merriam, and I don't know. I think I found myself a new passion turkey hunting. It's a lot of fun.